Hi, hello, good morning. It's 9:30. We should have left around 8:30, but at almost 9:30. So the unfortunate thing is we are not going for the scuba diving. We were supposed to go to the scuba diving. I was so excited, but apparently there was some accident and they had to cancel it. So the scuba diving is cancelled. Called some breakfast. Wow. I mean, cakes in the morning? Seriously? But look at the way they have designed. Wow. Moroccan breakfast. Look, Julian. This is Moroccan breakfast, it seems.
Yeah, you're welcome to it.
Yeah. You good?
You done it?
Yeah.
Hold on.
So Julian ordered for some hot tea and they gave him a cold one.
You got it right first time. I asked for a second cup of tea with some milk, and I just get cold milk with the tea bag thrown in it. They are taking the piss.
This is the tea what I got. Tangier has one of the big ports in Morocco. It's not as cold as it was yesterday. It's 11 degrees and I don't feel it is that cold. The port in Tangier is called Strait of Gibraltar, and it has been a strategical port between Europe and Africa since the Mediterranean time. Since 1800s, the US and Moroccans has the agreement to use the port for one another. I'm not sure what this place is, but it looks amazing. Asked the security guy if we can take a picture, and he was kind enough. And it does.
But these are not new. These are not old.
They say
These are not old. Look,
No.
you know why?
what?
That's concrete.
This is not there inside. This is not town.
No, this is one of those. It dates back to 2000 is what it says.
Yeah, they built it here
Yeah.
because they got a beautiful view of the sea. Yeah?
You can see the Spain. That is Spain. What do you see there?
Spania.
Yeah. So this is Strait of Gibraltar. Yeah.
Here, you see the water here?
Uh-huh.
This is one of the most important water channels in the world.
Yeah, it
Because
passes.
this is the entrance to the Mediterranean.
Yeah. Okay. And there's some fishermen. So this is the entrance to the Mediterranean Sea. Ah. And that's Spain. So welcome to Chefchaouen, the blue city of Morocco. Tired old man. So we have to climb. There are few old public baths built in 16th century. Someone decided to paint blue and the whole city has been painted blue. Not particularly pure blue. They still use white and stuff, but if you look here, it's the part of it is blue on the main street. So yeah, look at that. Hi there, what are you buying?
He's got a nice vase. He's very good at wrapping, see, look. Beautiful,
that's nice.
beautiful wrapping.
But how are you planning to take it?
Where? In the bag.
It'll fit?
Yeah, in the box.
Okay, how much?
I'll make it fit. 180. It's very nice.
Not bad.
Beautiful colours.
Yeah.
Very nice colours.
So, anyone coming to Chefchaouen, you can come to this restaurant called as Clock Cafe. You get a very good view from here. Ordered the camel burger. Yeah. Try it. How's it? Good?
Camel tastes really nice.
Let me try it. So we ordered camel burger. It tastes good. I mean, it's not good as the reindeer what we ate, but it is good. That is how the place is. Look, it's pretty nice actually. Yeah. The cafe is very nice. You can either go upstairs or you can sit down. What is that called? What is it?
This is meat. But you can eat some, I don't know.
Sure.
Yes,
Sort of
meat.
It's meat.
So is it local food?
Welcome.
Yes.
It's good, huh?
Cheers, man.
Yeah.
Where can I wash it?
Yes, your friend.
Yeah. No.
Okay. No problem, my friend.
So where can I wash it?
No problem.
You sure?
Yes. No problem, my friend.
Now this is a frame. Look at the mosque or the church on the top. Look, these people. The chef is done. We had good food. We had good time. We spent almost an hour and a half, 2 in the place, and we are heading to Irfan. We are skipping Fes because it's almost gonna be dark by the time we reach. So we are gonna skip Fes and we are gonna go ahead. Let's see how it goes. Wow. Now that is a good view. Roads from Chaf is not that good. It's almost single roads. Kilian was saying that these are the old roads of Morocco. The new ones, whatever we rode yesterday and today morning, were actually built by someone else. There's Chanda there. I'm not sure if it is an agricultural land. I mean, I'm sure it is an agricultural land, but I'm not sure what they have grown in this. You think you're stopping for 5 minutes, but apparently you will be stopping for more than half an hour everywhere you go. So we stopped for almost half an hour and now we are back on the road, and oh wow, look at the sunset. Woo-hoo-hoo. Now that is a view. That is a very good view. That's cool. Okay. Huh? Nee nam kodi itti andar correct barti. I'm saying him, if he's behind us, he'll come with us properly, not stopping anywhere.
Stopping again, helping people on the side of the road.
So the time is 7:45. This is the room. This is me. All done for today. Not bad. The room looks good. We did around 350 kilometers today, if I'm not wrong. Very less. We left around 11:30, 12. So that is why we did less kilometers. But it was dark, so we decided to stay in Fes.